Just take it 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, and then we graduate to 1 day at a time. So let's get this money. I got you. Do all mine with a weight vest on too, just so you know. Lunges. Watch the people also too. I learned in life, you gotta watch the people you surround yourself with. Stay away from people who got entitlement energy, laziness energy, and who truly deal with healing, or who truly deal with hurt, but don't know how to heal properly. Like once you realize that you know how to heal, and once you start identifying the things that hurt you, that made you want to heal, that hurt you, and then you can start fixing the things that you heal you. Because some people just continue to carry that on throughout life. You'd be surprised, man. Some people really ain't going for no change. Like some people ain't no changing them. You know what I mean? So all you can do is pray for them. You know? Let's get back to these push-ups, dude.